Problem-based learning is also called project-based learning. It is a variation of experiential learning and action learning where the individual will do something to learn. It is a hands-on approach instead of learning through passive means such as reading or hearing. John Dewey, an American philosopher, educator, and psychologist in 1897, posited that learning needed to be a more hands-on approach. He stated that students needed to interact with their environment, then discover lessons and knowledge that would aid them to adapt and learn. Dewey took this idea and tested it at the University of Chicago Laboratory School. Progressive education has been built upon the works of John Dewey. Dewey suggested that problem-based learning was needed for the greater development of critical thinking skills and deeper understanding of knowledge. It permitted inquiry, critical thinking skills, problem-solving, collaboration, and even communication. Problem-based learning is simply learning by doing. It is best used in long-term projects as the progress and process can take a significant amount of time. It allows a process which promotes improvement and is especially valuable in research and development. The best application for problem-solving learning is through the implementation of real-world scenarios. Students are given projects, problems, and scenarios that could or will be experienced within a job or life. It is especially valuable for use in adult learning situations. Students should be encouraged to choose their own project in this type of learning. This will then develop greater interest and passion for the students, particularly in real-world situations. There are criticisms of problem-based learning. First, it takes a significant amount of time. Although there are substantial rewards, educators need to be aware of this time constraint. There is also not a lot of research to substantiate that problem-based learning is as effective or more effective than other learning methods. There are great advantages as well. Learners will come away from a problem-based learning experience with greater critical thinking skills. It is also indicative of longer retention of both skills and knowledge. Learners also develop communication skills through solicitation of feedback from others and increasing team collaboration. The greatest advantage is that users of problem-based learning are given an opportunity to see exactly what their knowledge can do. Students are given immediate access to seeing the application of knowledge and its effects. Overall, problem-based learning is an option for educators to use, providing critical skills. Although it has advantages and disadvantages, it's another methodology for educators to facilitate learning.